Nature. I get out into nature every morning, especially in those times I feel like I've not got time to. And that's what anchors me. And I know when I've not been out in nature in the morning, I know my whole day is different. And so nature, whenever you need grounding and rest and to return back to yourself, for me, nature is always the answer. And that might just mean going outside in your back garden in the morning and putting your feet on the earth, or just taking a moment's pause to take 5 deep breaths. But nature for me is what will always help me to ground and to slow down and to also really remember what's actually important.